Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Plaid Sandbox for credit card app testing, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Plaid website to access the Sandbox environment. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in to your Plaid account. Navigate to the dashboard. Select Create New Application to set up your testing environment. Give your application a unique name that reflects its purpose. Once created, note your client ID and secret keys as you will need these later. Now, go to the Sandbox tab on the dashboard. In the Sandbox section, you will find sample data for various institutions. Locate the credit card institution you wish to test with. Copy the institution ID for use in your application. Next, familiarize yourself with the Plaid Quick Start Guide. This guide provides the necessary endpoints and sample code. Integrate the Plaid API into your application using the information from the Quick Start Guide. Use the client ID and secret from your earlier application setup. When making API calls, ensure you use the Sandbox environment URL. Implement the endpoints to initiate a link flow for user authentication. Once users authenticate with their test credit card, Plaid will return a public token. Use this public token to exchange for an access token. The access token allows you to retrieve user data during testing. Ensure your application handles the data correctly as you explore various endpoints. Test different credit card transactions using the sample data provided. Adjust your application to reflect any unique requirements based on your test findings. Review the Plaid documentation as needed for additional information. Continue testing until you feel confident in your integrations. Once testing is complete, prepare for the transition to the production environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.